Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to present my AI project, which title is facial emotion recognition system. So first of all I open my project, then I tell you about this. This project is designed to detect a human emotion based on facial expressions, okay, using deep learning and real-time deployment with Flask. So the problem is the goal. This is to automatically classify facial expressions into categories like happy, sad, surprised, and more. Emotion recognition has application in smart surveillance system, human computer interactions, mental health monitoring, etc. So which tools and technologies I used in this my project? That is Python, the main core language, the Python. So Keras, the main library, which is the Keras, is used. Keras is the uh, part of TensorFlow, as you can say. So Keras is the basically specify model of TensorFlow, which is working on the images. So OpenCV, in my app you can see OpenCV CV2, okay, because it is real-time emotion detection. So OpenCV is used to detect on camera, okay, and then my app.py is deploy on Flask. So the Flask library I need, okay. So the model architect, the core system is CNN. Here is the main.py file. So I will tell about this. So first of all, it inputs for 48 x 48 grayscale facial images, like this, and mm, after it max pooling, it I import these libraries, which is used to sequence. It means that extract edges and etc from images, layers, etc. So train generator, this is generate or train the image. So the next step is training data. I This code generate when image coming, it extract the edges, values, layers, and then save it, and then train the data. So training the data, then it validate the data from these variables, which I set to the existing variables. So when we live the image, catch all edges, and it validate from these codes. The class label, it has six or seventh modes: angry, disgust, fear, happy, neutral, sad, and surprise, okay. So the model sequential, okay, these are my models, edges, and max pooling, dropout, etc. And this is my training and testing data path, and this is some this, and last, here is the final, which I trained the model. I save it into .h5 file, which is this, because when I load it again, then I simply load the model and use it, okay. So the next app.py, which is I deployment using Flask. After successfully training the model, I deployed it using Flask. So the user access a web interface which is the index.html through index.html. Okay, the application active the webcam using OpenCV. The webcam feed is proceed in real time. Each frame is passed through the pre-trained CNN model to detect emotions that allows to entire the system runs and web application your local machine or server making it okay. So when I run the program, this is the Flask structure, Flask, and so let's run the program and check the output. It's using pictures and real-time videos, that's why it used consume more times. So please so this is the my deployment server. I copy and paste it into the my Chrome. Okay, so let's check the output. So this is because it's working on real time emotion, so that's why it a little bit slow. It contains more time to detect and on the camera, so please keep it and hold. So check this, my program, my project successfully running, and soon it started camera start stream. So it's contain more time, so check the camera is running or not. So I check the camera worked properly, so I go back to my main page and check the my detecting is work properly or not. My laptop is old, so it takes more time. Sorry for the wait. So this is the output. Check my mode is neutral. So check the program. So it little bit slowly on the web app because uh, motion detection, because OpenCV through OpenCV cross and these models it contain more GPU that I have not, so that's why its prediction is not well. but when I run it on my local, that's well perfectly working. So that's my project. In the conclusion, I built a deep learning model that recognizes emotions, okay, from facial expression, and deployed a Flask based interface for real-time testing. So if real-time testing, the project's strength method my skills in CNN image processing and web deployment. I hope you found it insightful. So if you want this project, my repo link is in the description, so get it from that link. So that's why my project, uh, when I run it on my system or PC, it's worked perfectly. So the Flask app is not well balanced to the videos, so that's why it does not work perfectly to Flask. So that's uh, you need to download it, and when locally run, that's will good output. Okay, thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you do like the code and want to try it yourself. Thank you.